worship at the altar of Smith & Wesson. We the people know not what we do. The Purge is not about containing crime to one night and cleansing our souls by releasing oppression. It's about one thing: money. Who dies tonight? The poor. We can't afford to protect ourselves. We must pick up arms. This year, we will fight back.
Jose, Alex, perimeter check.
Impressive facility, Dickie. Now you're absolutely sure that we're safe here?
100%, sir. We're miles offshore. No one knows we're here.
My husband and I are very serious about the Purge.
Yeah, that's for the good of the cause. Dickie, where's the safe room?
Step aside, hon. For the sake of discretion, I haven't shared this with any of my team, not even my wife. Upstairs, 3rd level, there's a hatch. You'll find the safe room there, all for yourself.
Oh, and the live stream, that's all been set up, right?
Yes, sir. Security cameras, CCTV, all of Los Angeles County.
Oh, fantastic. When the Purge starts, I love watching these thugs just tear each other to pieces. It's funny.
I know you want to settle in, sir, but I have your post-Purge agenda to review.
Yes.
You have a 9 a.m. press conference highlighting your role as a new founding father of Purge.
Actually, you know, the voters, they just love me. I think they love this Purge.
Yeah, I guess so. Here is a statement I prepared.
Yes, absolutely perfect. In every way, as always, Beth. You know, you're always in the right place at the right time. You're like the daughter I never had.
Thanks so much.
Woo! Showtime. Here we go.
This is your emergency broadcast system announcing the initiation of the 2023 Purge. This annual event has been authorized by the U.S. government, and weapons of Class 4 and lower have been approved for use. All other weapons remain illegal during this 12-hour period. Beginning at the siren, any and all crime, including murder, will be permitted. Once the Purge concludes at 7 a.m., emergency medical services will be deployed. Blessed be our new founding fathers and America, a nation reborn.
I
Hey, you're his number one, right? So where is he, Special Agent Dickie?
I don't know. I swear.
Liar. Show me her hand. Ooh. Nice ring. Congratulations. You must have paid a lot for that, eh, Dickie? So, where's the senator?
I don't know.
Oh, yeah, it's a terrible feeling, isn't it? Watching the people you love get hurt. I know, I've been there. We've all been there. My sister and I watched our parents get hurt. You and your new wife are gonna hate what happens next.
Dickie, just tell her, please!
Put her head down.
No!
Stop!
No!
Stop!
Dickie! Dickie,
Stop!
please!
Okay, I'll tell you. I'll tell you. Nothing!
pays me to protect him.
Yeah? And what about your wife? Please don't let them kill me!
Oh, okay. He's hiding in the safe room. Up there. Just don't hurt her.
Thank you, sir. Now, feel what it's like to say bye to a loved one.
No!
Do it!
No! No!
What was that? Find me that safe room and bring me the senator!
Hey! You looking for me?
Finally, the guest of honor.
Yeah, and I can do it again!
Great. Everyone, purge him.
No, listen, stop! I have influence. I got powerful friends. Please, let's work out a deal.
Oh, don't beg, Phil. It's unbecoming.
Beth, I gotta get out of here.
How?
I don't know, that's what you're here for, isn't it? Do your job. Find something. Let's go.
Okay.
Move!
Yes.
You can't run from the purge, Phil! You worked too hard on it! My friends! It's time! Tonight, we will watch one of the new founding fathers of the purge suffer as we have suffered!
All right. Gentlemen, please, let's negotiate. No, listen, you lowlifes. You have no idea what I've done for this country.
Stop!
Beth, always in the right place as usual. Don't beg, it's unbecoming. You're an idiot. Light 'em up, Beth.
I got this.
That's right, fire.
I don't think so. Senator,
Wait a minute, Beth.
every single one of us has lost someone to the purge. All of us.
My sister and I watched our parents get purged.
Yes, Senator. Our parents. Right place, right time, huh, sis?
Listen, Beth and Dante, listen, your parents, I'm sure they're good people. Now, I can fix this. Name your price.
Your life.
Oh, I see. It's all about revenge.
It's not revenge, Phil. It's justice. Light 'em